Let's look at the perils of reading tree files. Here we have a series of files, each one containing trees, the first four written by different programs. But let's look at this one, a very simple file with trees in parenthesis notation, the Newick format. The top one is about as simple as they come. The second one includes branch links, but different programs write a whole lot more information than just that into their tree files and the tree description. So here's a tree here written by MrBayes, and it includes all of this extra information about a particular branch. And MrBayes uses its own particular format to do that. BEAST uses a different format, not only different information, but a different fundamental format as to how that information is expressed. And so the different programs using different formats present a challenge for something like Mesquite that wants to be able to read different tree files, especially since the files don't themselves say what the format is. And so if you were to just go to Mesquite and say open file and try to open this, for instance, the MrBayes tree, not very good things happen. It ends up looking like this. It's basically not a tree, and all this information is fragmented. And so what do you do about it? Luckily, a few things work pretty well. So BEAST, for instance, uses a format that's pretty much the way one would write it using Nexus principles. So it comes quite naturally to Mesquite. And so Mesquite can read them in as its native format. And here you can see that it opened up the BEAST file automatically in Chronogram, and you can see to the right the little window showing the information at each of the branches. We can also display that information on the branches, but I will not deal with that today. So BEAST is easy, MrBayes is hard. What do we do for MrBayes and the other ones? Well, if we go to Open Special and say Open File Specify Tree Dialect, we're going to tell Mesquite what the tree dialect is. And we're going to say it's a MrBayes, and then it knows how to read it. And so here's MrBayes file coming in. We can ask it to read some of the other ones, like delineate. So we're going to say it's a delineate file. And so that's that. And we can do as well astral. And we're going to say it's an astral file. And in this case, it's getting the different concordance factors, and we can display them on the branches if we want, and so forth. And so we can read these different formats as long as we know to specify what the tree file dialect is.